Mother Nature came out of a time of the BP oil spill in 2010, and just a total, the images on the television of these animals being just totally slathered in oil and trying to survive, and just thinking about the Gulf of Mexico and how beautiful it is, and yet we still put things in the water to gather up, and we just keep doing what we're doing, and we're not really thinking about our actions. It's a cry out to Mother Nature.
Life is sweet, sweet to live, on it goes. No one knows a fire in, burning bright, on it goes. No one knows an onion goes, yes, chilling air, taking this, ignoring that. When the earth cries out in pain, I can hear the time pass away. And from the tide to the sunset, I will miss you, Mother Nature. Bird in flight, looking down, on it goes. No one knows, and dolphin cry, warning all, run away. Running high, nations weakness at the side, taking this, ignoring that. When the earth cries out in pain, I can hear the time pass away. From the tide to the sunset, I will miss you, Mother Nature. And duty calls is, take care of me. On she calls, desperate calls. When the earth cries out in pain, I can